Do you feel stuck in life to the point where you feel like you're not making progress? You feel like bills are going up. You feel like day by day things are getting harder and harder. And you just feel like you're not making any progress in life and you are struggling to get by every single month. Now, trust me, you're not alone in feeling like this. A lot of people feel exactly the same. But that doesn't mean that it has to be like this. Because over 12 months ago, I used to be exactly the same. Literally last year, I was working a 9 to 5 job in a place that I hated for 12 hours every single day, feeling like I'm stuck in life, thinking to myself that there's definitely more to life than this. And now if we fast forward over 12 months, I now live in Dubai, which was my dream city, and I run my own coaching business, which generates me 6 figures a year. So when it comes to getting out of a situation where you feel stuck in life and you feel like nothing's changing and you feel like life is just the same and you're making no progress, I know exactly how that feels. And not only that, I know exactly how to get out of that. So if you feel like this, you've clicked on the right video, because today I'm going to explain how you can actually get out of that situation and how you can actually start making progress today, so you can start making more money, fixing your life, so your whole perspective on life changes. Now, first things first, one of the main reasons you feel stuck in life, right, is because you're either working a 9 to 5 job, which you're struggling in, or you've got a business where you're not able to take it further and you're kind of a slave to the business. Those are two of the main reasons. Now, if you're working a 9 to 5 job, one of the main issues is that you don't have freedom. So if you're working a 9 to 5 job, you don't have freedom. You've got to work when the boss tells you to work. You've got to get up when the boss tells you to get up. You've got to travel to work. Maybe it takes you an hour to commute or half an hour to commute. Then you're at work for 12 hours a day. Then you come home, then you're tired, and then you just go to sleep, and then the next day you've got to do that all over again. Now, I'm speaking from experience because this used to be my life as well. And if you're doing a business where you're kind of a slave to the business, you don't have any hours and you're just working, but you're not making that change, nothing's changing from there, well, it's the same kind of thing, because you're a slave to your business. You don't have proper systems, which basically means that you're doing a 9 to 5. So in both scenarios, right, you're essentially working a 9 to 5 job. You're working every single day, putting all this effort into it, when you know that there is nothing that's going to come out at the end of it. Like, sure, you might have 1 month where your business does well, or if you're working a 9 to 5, you might have 1 month where they pay you more because of holiday season or overtime, or you might even get a promotion. But even so, right, the reason you guys feel stuck in your life is because there is no substantial progress which you can see that's going to change you from that situation. And a lot of you guys get depressed, miserable. You kind of project that outside as well. So whatever you're feeling inside, you're projecting it on the outside. You live your life like this on a daily basis. You come to a point where you don't really care and you just kind of get on with it, and it gets harder and harder and harder. But because of the lack of action and because of the lack of knowledge, you don't try and escape the situation you're in right now. Now, the way to actually escape this situation, okay, the way to actually get out of this situation that you're currently in is to start an online business. Now, a lot of people nowadays are either doing physical businesses or they're working a 9 to 5 job. There are a few people that just don't understand how profitable and how amazing making money online is. Most of the younger generation have cracked this, right? So I know a 20-year-old here in Dubai that's making over 70 grand a month. And I know various other 23 and 24-year-olds that are making 6 figures a month. Well, a lot of you guys won't even see 6 figures if you work for 3 years consistently. So it just shows that there are levels to this, right? And the reason why these guys are making money is not because they're more smarter than you. It's not because they've got more life experience. Obviously they don't. It's just because they've decided to take action in a business model which they know is going to make them money. Like, I'll give you an example, right? Let's say you're on a racetrack. Now, what vehicle you choose is very important. Obviously your driving skills come into play as well, but the vehicle you choose is very important. Now, if you've got a Nissan Micra, for example, and you're racing someone who's got a Bugatti, even if they're a shit driver, they're going to beat you all of the time. But my point is, you've got to choose the right vehicle. Now, a lot of you guys are trying to get rich from your 9 to 5 job. I can tell you for free that doesn't happen. You're trying to get rich from a physical business. Now, this is a possibility. There are people that have done it and you can make a lot of money through a physical business. But why are you going to put yourself through all that stress? Why are you going to put yourself through all of that headache, all the startup costs that are involved in that, all of the overheads that are involved in a physical business? Most of the times you kind of need to be there as well. And if you hire staff, you've got to keep an eye on them. You've got to spend so much on the actual shop, all of that kind of stuff. Why would you put yourself through all of that stress when you can just start an online business, which you can manage at any point through your laptop? And even if you do have staff on your online business, right? A lot of the online businesses don't even require that much staff. Most times they're just contractors. You can manage them all online. So you don't need to physically go anywhere. You can just manage people all online, and you can hire staff from various parts of the world, which means that you'll essentially pay them less money than you would in your current country. So that's why you need to understand that your 9 to 5 job is not going to make you rich. Your physical business most likely won't make you rich. Physical businesses were very popular back 20, 30 years ago. Not anymore. I think now online is the way to go. That's why there are a lot of 20-year-olds, 25-year-olds, 30-year-olds making money online, traveling the world, doing whatever they want. Because at the end of the day, guys, it's not about money, it's about freedom. If you have the freedom to go to another country and work there or travel around the world, a lot of you guys wouldn't feel like you're stuck in life because you'd be making progress. You would feel like, okay, I can go to another country tomorrow. I can go to Japan. I can go to Saudi Arabia. I can go to Dubai. I can go to Qatar. Like, you can travel anywhere you want. And I promise you, once you have the ability to travel wherever you want and make money online, you will yourself feel that you're not stuck in life anymore. Now, a lot of you guys are probably asking, okay, I want to make money online, right? How do I make money online? You've probably tried everything like I did. When I first started making money online, I used the dropshipping business model. I also used affiliate marketing. I also use YouTube as well as one of my ways to make money online. And when I say YouTube, I mean sponsorships and, you know, affiliate marketing within that as well. But I realized, right, all of these business models, yes, you can make money, and yes, you can make a significant amount of money. But as a beginner, you're not going to see a substantial amount of money at all. And when you think about that, it does put you off. It does sort of drop your motivation. And obviously, I don't believe in motivation anyway. I believe in discipline. But for people who are starting an online business for the first time, these things are kind of important to get them, you know, on track. This is why I don't do dropshipping anymore. I don't do affiliate marketing. I barely even do sponsorships anymore. The main way I make my money online is by running a coaching program. Now, a coaching program is one of the best ways that anyone can make money online from, because I've helped so many of my clients make some substantial amounts of money in only a few months. For example, I had a client that made £6,000 in a single day, and he was making around £1,800, £2,000 a month prior to that. So he made in one day what he normally would make in about 3 months. I then had another client who joined me in only a few weeks and got $20,000 worth of booked calls, and that was just posting his first YouTube video. And I've got several other clients who made their first $5,000 or $3,000 within a few weeks of working with me. Now, I'm not trying to sell the whole time frame thing, right? Sometimes it takes them a month, sometimes it takes them 2 months, some people it takes 3 months. My point is, all of them made thousands of dollars within that time, and it didn't take them like 6, 7, or 8 months to make some good money. And that's why I started my own coaching program, because I saw what worked for me. I saw what worked in another business model that I was a part of, and that's when I decided to start my own coaching program so I can help others do exactly the same. And just a quick little background on me, guys. I used to work a 9-to-5 job over 12 months ago back in the UK. I used to work several 9-to-5 jobs. I used to work at Argos. I used to work at Duty Free. I used to work at Sky. I worked there for so many years before I decided one day that I'm just going to quit my job, move to Dubai, and just take the biggest risk of my life by starting my own business in Dubai. And yeah, over 12 months later, it's now paid off because I make over 6 figures a year. And the reason I'm able to make 6 figures a year is because clients want to work with me. And the reason clients want to work with me is because I get them results. A lot of my clients have come through from referrals. What I mean by this is that my own clients have recommended their friends or family to join my program. The reason being is because I've made them money, so they now want to help someone else make their money too. That's how you know my business model works, and that's how you know that everyone is making some good money from it. So if you do want some help with starting your own coaching program, and you want some help making 10K a month online within your first 3 months, well, you can either DM me on Instagram, or you can book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description. And what we'll do is we'll jump on a call and I'll see how I can help you. Now, how do you actually start a coaching program? How do you actually set one of these up? Well, it's actually very, very simple, and I'm going to give you sort of the blueprint on how you can do that. So number one, you've got to find your skill or niche. What skill are you good at within what niche? Because the niche is semi-important, right? And the reason I say it's semi-important is because any niche will work, but there are more profitable niches than other niches. So for example, there's a woman here in Dubai who sells a how to knit program, and she makes $18,000 a month, and she's just teaching people how to knit. So you could easily make around $18,000, $19,000, $20,000 a month depending on your niche, but some niches will earn you a substantial amount of more money. I'll give you another example of a niche. There's another person that's teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. This person makes around $80,000 a month. I work with a client that's teaching people how to invest their money in crypto. I'm working with another client who works with parents, teaching them how to deal with special needs children. I'm working with another client that's teaching people how to build strength in the gym. I'm working with another client that's teaching mindset for entrepreneurs. So I'm working with so many clients who are doing so many different things in so many different niches, and all of them work. Now, once you've identified a niche, what you then need to do is bring in traffic, okay? So what you do is set up a Calendly page, like a booking page, so where people can book in a call with you. You then create YouTube videos just like I'm doing right now. You start talking about the subject, you start answering questions, you start providing value, and you have to make sure you include some CTAs in your video. Now, CTA is a call to action. So for example, I'll give you my CTA, right? So if you want to work with me, you can either click the link in the description where you can book in a call with me, or you can DM me on Instagram, where I will basically help you set up one of these type of businesses where I can scale you to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me. So that, for example, is a CTA because I'm giving a call to action. So make sure to include that a few times in your video, post your video, and as you keep posting videos on YouTube, you'll start seeing more and more clients will book in calls with you, which means that you'll make more and more money once you close those clients on a call. So once you jump on a call with them, you need to understand their problem, you need to understand their situation, you need to ask them as many questions as possible, show them a presentation on what your program is about. By the end of it, you might have some objection handling to do. And finally, once you can convince them, then you just take payment from them on that call. And make sure to charge a high ticket price. This is very important. Don't charge something like £400 or £500 or $500. Make sure you charge a substantial amount of money, like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, because that's how you will make the most amount of money. For example, let's say you charge $5,000. Well, One client will make you 5K in a month. And depending on your deliverables, you'd only have to work around 12 hours across 3 months, which is like 4 hours a month, compared to a lot of you guys that are working 40 hours a week just to make 2 grand a month. You see the difference here? So this is why I say a coaching business is one of the best business models that you can do, because not only have I seen success for myself, I've seen it for my clients as well. And I remember the times I was struggling at work back in the UK when I was working my 9-to-5 job, where I was doing 12-hour shifts, where I was really stressing, where I didn't have a clue on how to get out of it. And I've realized one thing now, I look back over 12 months ago, right? I've realized one thing that is very, very important for me now, is that the only reason I am where I am today compared to where I was 12 months ago is because of knowledge. Over 12 months ago, I did not know how to set up a business like this. I did not know how to make money from a business like this. But because I had hired a mentor, because I had invested in myself, I was able to learn as much as possible whilst taking action as well. And that's why I'm able to make as much money as I am today. Whereas 12 months ago, I was struggling to even make 2 grand a month. And this shows the difference, because I'm now living in the best city in the world in Dubai. And it shows that anyone can do this, because I've also helped clients do this as well. Complete beginners who don't even know how to use the computer properly. I've worked with 19-year-olds, 20-year-olds. I've also worked with people that are over 40, and I've managed to work with them and get some good results. So again, guys, if you are interested in starting this business, you need some help, you want to invest in yourself, well, you can either DM me on Instagram if you've got any questions, or you can directly click a link in the description below and book in a call with me, and I'll jump on a call with you and see exactly how I can help you. So guys, if you are feeling stuck in life, make sure to take action so you can change your life today.